Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Clothing Distribution. Everyone love to buy new clothes frequently. To buy clothes, we go to store directly and buy clothes. But this does not work from the distributors and suppliers end. Previously, distributors used to go to the supplier and buy the required items. As days go on, everything is becoming online. Here we have came up with a project that distributors can go online with the supplier and buy these items in sitting at a place. Coming to this website, here we have four modules like admin, supplier, distributor, and store. This is a flow diagram of the website. Here, the admin will log in onto the website with predefined login credentials like email address and password. After login into the website, the admin can add the suppliers by entering their name, email address, phone number, and address of the supplier. With all the details of the supplier, the admin will add the suppliers to the website. After adding the suppliers, the admin can add the categories and view the categories in the same page. So after adding the categories, supplier will log in into the website with the email address and password. After enter into the website, the supplier will add the items to the website based on the categories, those items added by the supplier. And supplier can view those items in the view items page. After adding the items, the distributor will get registered into the website with registered details like email address, name of the distributor, and phone number of the distributor, and address of the distributor. By entering these details, the registration will be done for distributors. After registration, the admin can view the distributors in the home page and verify those details of the distributor and make them and send the approval to the distributor. After receiving the approval only, the distributors will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the distributors can view the items which are added by supplier, and by entering the quantity of the items, the distributor will add those items to the cart, and they can view the added items into the cart in a view cart page. After viewing the cart items, in that view cart item page, the distributor will send the request for that particular items request. So these requests will send to the supplier, and supplier can view the request, and by clicking the make as prepared button, the supplier will prepare those items for distributors, and by clicking the make as preparing button, the order will be prepared. After preparing the order, the supplier can dispatch the order to the distributor, and distributor can view the orders. This distributor can view those request approval in the view card page, and by clicking the order now button, after accepting the request, the distributor can order those particular items. By clicking the order now button, they will enter into the payment page. After paying the amount for the items, the distributor will place the order. So after ordering those items, the orders will be displayed in the view orders page of the distributor, and these order requests will send to the supplier, and supplier can view the orders which is done by the distributor and accept those orders and dispatch those orders to the distributor. These all orders history will be stored in the supplier history and distributor order history. Distributor will can view the dispatched orders and collect those orders. After clicking the collect order button, the distributor will collect the order, and by clicking the order add to stock button, the particular items will be added to the stock, and the distributor can view the stock items which are added by him. And after adding the items to stock, the stores will be registered into the website with the store name, store email address, store phone number, and password of the store. So by entering the registered details in the register form, they'll get registered into the website. After registrations, the stores will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the stores can view the items which are added by the distributor. They can view the stock items, and by selecting those items with the quantity, they entering the quantity, the stores will add those items to the cart, and those items can be visible in the view card page. After entering into this view card page, there will be a button called book now. So book items button. So by clicking those book items button, the stores will enter into the payment page, and by paying the amount, the order will be placed. After placing the order, this placed order details will be stored in the view orders page, and these requests will be sent to the store request will be sent to the distributor, and view this request and view the orders of the and make them accept of the store request. Distributors can accept the store request and view the orders of the stores and make them prepare and dispatch those orders to the store. So these all orders history will be stored in the view orders page, and by after accepting the view orders of the distributor, the stores will collect the after dispatching the order, the stores will collect the orders and take the orders and collect. By clicking the collect order button, the store's data will be changed as received order. So these all the data will be stored in the store history, and distributor also can view the store history of the website. So this is a flow diagram. Let's get into the output. We'll see the output of the website. So here I'm logging into the admin page with the username and password. After entering into the website, the admin will add the suppliers by clicking the add supplier button. Add the supplier with the name, supplier email address, phone number, password, address. Add supplier. By clicking the add supplier button, the supplier will be added. So this will be displayed on the home page of the admin. This is the supplier details. And after adding the supplier, the admin will add the categories. Category added successfully. This category will be viewed in the view categories page. Here the admin added categories. After adding the categories, the suppliers will log in into the website with the email address and password. This is the supplier homepage. Here the supplier can add the items to the website by clicking the add item button with the name of the item and price. Upload picture. Choose a category here. Admin added category. So add item. Item added. After adding the item, these items can be viewed in the view items page. This is the supplier added items, and after adding the items to the website, the distributors will register into the website with the name, email address, phone number, password, address, register. Register successfully. After registration, the admin will verify the distributors. So we'll go to the admin page, and here the distributor details will be displayed here. By clicking the verify button, the admin will verify the distributor. After verification of the admin, the distributor will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. Login. This is the homepage for distributor. Here the distributor can view the items which are added by supplier, and by adding the required count of the items, the distributor can request for this particular items. So add it to cart, view cart. If they want to remove the items from the cart, they can click on the remove button, and then the distributor will remove the items from the cart. By clicking the send request button, this request will be sent to the supplier, and the status will be changed as send requested. Like this. And after requesting the items, the supplier will log in into the website with email address and password. Supplier will log in and view the request of the distributors. By confirming the payment, the distributor will accept the request. By clicking the confirm button, the price will be confirmed. So after confirming the payment, the supplier will accept the request of the distributors, and by changing the status as request accepted. So then the distributor can see the request in the view request page. So request will be changed. The order status will be changed as request accepted. And after accepting the request from the supplier, the distributor will order those items by clicking the order now button. So after clicking the order now button, the distributor will enter into the payment page with the card number. This card number must be in 16 digits. It's 16 digits, and the name of the distributor, name on the card, and CVV number, expiry date of the card. Order placed. After placing the order, those orders will be displayed on the view orders page. Here the status will be ordered, and we'll go to supplier again. Email address and password. Supplier can view the orders of the distributor's orders and make as preparing them. So the status will be changed as preparing, and after preparation, we can click on the make as prepared. The items will be prepared in here. By clicking this dispatch button, the orders will be dispatched to distributors. So dispatch the order. Here the status will be changed as dispatched. And after dispatching the order, the distributor will check the orders and collect the orders in the view orders page. So here the view orders page, and the status will be changed as dispatched. And by clicking the collect order button, the orders will be collected from the distributors. So by clicking this add to stock button, the distributor will add those items to the stock. So I'm adding the stock here. Stock added successfully. And view stock. Orders history will be displayed in the history page, and view the stocks which are added by admin distributor. So if the distributor wants to edit the quantity of items, they'll edit. So update. By clicking the update button, the quantity will be updated. And after adding the stock, the stores will register into the website with the store name, email address, password, phone number, and address. Store registered. After registration, the stores will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. Login. This is the homepage for stores, and after entering into the website, the stores can view the items which are added by distributor, and by entering the required count of the items, the stores will add those items to the cart. Add it to cart and view the cart. If they want to cancel the orders, they want to remove from the cart, they can click on the remove button and remove them. By sending the request, the stores will request those items from the store distributor. So we'll get into the distributor again with the email address and password. They'll log in, and distributor can view the store request here in the view store request page by confirming the price of the items. The distributor can accept the request of the stores. So I'm accepting the request here. After accepting the request, the stores will order. Stores can order the items. So by clicking the order now button, the stores will enter into the payment page, and this card number must be in 16 digits. Name, PVV number, and expiry date. Order. So ordered, here the status will be in order. After ordering the items, the distributor will log in. Again, log in into the distributor and view the store orders. Make as preparing, make as prepared, and dispatch the order. Order dispatched. So after dispatching the order, stores can view the orders and collect the orders. View orders and collect orders from the website. After collecting the orders, the status will be changed as delivered. This information will be stored in the store history and also distributor store history. This is the distributor store history. Here also the status will be changed as delivered. Like this, the suppliers, the distributors can buy the items from the supplier, and the stores can buy the items from the distributor. Like this, the clothing distribution will be work. So this is the website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.